and let's check out that funny, I think it is funny, problem of the day. Got Brock training an elephant that weighs 4 times as much as he does. If they weigh a total of 1,240 pounds, that's Brock and the elephant, by the way, we mean, how much does each weigh? All right, let's take a look at this one. It sounds kind of crazy. Brock is an elephant trainer, all right? This is a funny problem, I think. Then we've got an elephant, and the elephant weighs 4 times as much as Brock does, all right? Now, together, these two weigh a total of 1,240 pounds, which seems like a lot, but in the world of elephants, this is probably a young elephant going on here, rather small. How much does each weigh? Let's take a look at it. Of course, Brock, you're going to train it while it's young because you do not want to wait till this elephant gets old and try to deal with this, especially when they get huge and in the tons of weight. So let's see what we've got here for Brock and the elephant. First of all, let's call something. We got 2 things we're looking for. All right, we're looking for Brock's weight and we're looking for the elephant weight. We don't know either, but we have a clue. We have a clue. This 4 times as much. The elephant is 4 times as much as Brock. So let's put some variables down here. Why not? B for Brock. I like that. We'll have Brock's weight. And the elephant is 4 times as much. So let's just keep it all in terms of Brock. So we'll put 4 times Brock's weight. All right? That's going to be what the elephant is worth. 4 Brocks. Wow. And Brock's still up against a pretty good bit of weight there. When we get to the end, we'll find that out. Looking at where we're going here, it says they have a total of 1,240 pounds. So let's work this one out. We're going to take B plus 4B. There you have it. Because Brock plus the elephant, and that gives us a total of 1,240. So you say, well, that looks pretty easy, Ernie. Yeah, and it really is. It's not a hard problem today. This is not a difficult one. But let's bring a 1 in next to there so we don't go along and mess up and say, oh, that's 4B equals that, because that will really make Brock weigh a lot more than he does. This is going to be 4 plus 1 gives us 5. Keep your B as it is. Bring it along for the ride. And now we've got 1,240. Now, what we got here, what we got going here? Well, we got a division moment now. This is really an easy equation. We got 5 times something gives us 1,240. So let's do to both sides here. We go along here. We're going to drop through and divide by 5 to the left and also do the same thing to the right. Now, by the way, we call this when we put 1B and 4B together. That was like terms moment. This is now dividing both sides by 5. Division property of equality. So we've got B equaling to, well, let's see what it gives us. How about it? 1,240 divided by 5. Let's check the calculator on this. Let's see. Oh, yeah, there we are. Hello, calculator. And I'm getting 248. It's a heavy. Brock must be a linebacker. Maybe he's going to be playing football sometime soon, all right? I'm not really sure which way it's going to go, but that is his weight, 248 pounds. Wow. All right, that's Brock. Let's check out our elephant friend. And like I said, this is a young elephant because they do definitely weigh a lot more than this little guy is going to, but we're going to take it from a youth standpoint. And you know you want to train them while they're young, right? You don't want to wait till they're huge and ornery and all the other good things that some of us older folks get to do. So let's take this. Now, what are we going to do? We're going to take 4 times 248, and that's going to give us our lovely elephant friend here. So let's do that real quick on the calculator because I think we're going to get a good answer. We're multiplying by 4 because it's 4 times as much. 992 pounds. All right. 992 pounds for the elephant. The question is, do they add up, and hopefully they will, do they add back up to 1,240? And a quick check calculator once again, we'll take that 992. Let's just add what we had up there earlier. You can do that. Just hit the plus and it'll automatically give you the answer. Well, it'll get the answer from the last one. Then it will give you the answer when you add 248 because it doesn't know exactly what you want to do until you tell it. And we're back to 1,240. And that's your value there. And folks, there's your problem of the day to kind of get you started off. Now, inevitably, I'm going to have people say, is there another way to do it? You could, I'm going to just put this off to the side. It's basically going to work the same way pretty much. But you could have said, using two variables, you could let like B be Brock's weight, E be the elephant. We could put B plus E to equal 1240. They're two weights. And we could have also said that the elephant is equal to 4 B's, 4 times Brock. So this would be using systems, and you could do it that way. It's sort of like using X and Y, only I'm using B and E. But what's going to happen is you're going to substitute that 4B right in there, and look what happens. You get B plus 4B once again, equaling to 1240. So another way, alternatively speaking, sure, I like it with one variable. It's pretty straightforward, but you could also do it with two variables. Those of you who like those systems, you got two clues going on there. Good way to work it out. So either one gets us to what we're looking for, which is 248 and 992. So speaking of which, that's our call.